I'll get us enough for the week. Stay safe.
Stay safe.
I always do.
Good evening.
Welcome to the market, friend.
Where?
Over here, best food in the village. These pineapples look perfect. And the kiwis are so fresh. Raspberry next to the strawberry. The deep purple. Instant ice. Snowflakes.
Watch out! We're almost there! Look at these! Wow. They're so beautiful! They're glowing! How do they do that? I want the purple one. No, I want the purple one.
Here you go, little one. Wow, thank you.
Wow, this is the best ice cream ever. Look at the sprinkles. Look at all the sprinkles! Yours is so tall! This is the best ice cream ever! Mmm, delicious. The snow is falling. Let's build a snowman! Great idea! Grab that snowball! Almost there! Perfect!
Time to call our friends.
Let's ring it again!
One more time for everyone.
I'm so glad we made it here.
The fire will be nice and warm.
Let's get inside.
Here you go. Enjoy.
Cheers!
To us.
To the community! Cheers! This is the best ice cream ever!
Ah, the feast is grand. Look at them, the whole community.
The ice cream is delicious.
Nothing beats this, nothing.
Keep them close to the fire. Oh, it feels so warm.
This is absolutely delicious.
I agree. Best dessert I've ever had.
Oh, so glad we could do this.
It's a good company.
And that's why the reindeer couldn't fly.
Laughter.